I would like to request our certificates of appreciation awarded to Governor Victor A. Tanco in earnest appreciation, his active involvement, and imminent support extended for being the guest speaker during the one-day first day of May 2011 at Governor's Hall of the Provincial Capitol Building, Rojas City. Signed, Engineer Edgar D. Agana, Chapter President. Signed, Engineer Ronaldo M. Eaton, Chairman, PIC Legal Affairs, PIC National Second Vice President. Further amending Republic Act number 544, otherwise known as Civil Engineering Law. So to give the honor of introducing our resource speaker, I would like to call on our PIC Vice President for Private Sector in the person of Engineer Michael L. Conpera.
Our speaker is quite familiar to me, and as you all know, our speaker is the third person I ever met nakilala during the 10th ASEP International Convention held at Manila Pavilion sa Manila, Philippines. So, naman naming third person ko siya nakilala because the first person during I attend the convention, ang first ko na encounter was Engineer Factora, and the second was the late Engineer Aber Canlas. So I was, during the opening ceremony, I came late and I seated at the back. So late man atong duha ka engineer nga nag-abot. And then they seated beside me sa table and he asked me about if I am a student. So I answered to them that I am newly graduate and newly licensed civil engineer. So they have congratulated me. So during those times, si Engineer Factora is very because after the opening ceremony, our speaker nag-go na sa technical session. So he also go to the back and seated dito. It was an opportunity nga nakilala ko si Sir Eaton during those times. So same question, he asked me again if I am a student, then I replied again that I am a new to this ASEP convention. So he just asked me if I'm willing to join with ASEP. So during those times, he gave me the website of ASEP, and luckily I was being a member during those after updating sa mga codes sa mga seminars ng ASEP. So right now, our speaker is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering from the University of the Philippines, Diliman, from 1989. A Master of Science in Civil Engineering degree program, major in structures with 27 earned units at University of the Philippines. He also a registered civil engineer. PRC number 59357. He also the President and the Fellow of Association of Structural Engineers of the Philippines, ASEP, from 2002 to 2004. And he is the Board of Directors, Philippines, a life member of UP Alumni Engineers, and a member of Rotary Club of Roses, Quezon City. He has received honors and awards. The most distinguished alumnus for the Civil Engineering 2005, University of the Philippines, College of Engineering, UP Alumni Engineers. And he received a leadership award from 2003 and 2004 from the Association of Structural Engineers of the Philippines. Our speaker is presently now is Principal and Civil Structural Engineer of R.H. Eason and Associates. So and right now it's my privilege to introduce our speaker and to welcome Engineer Ronaldo Santos Eason.
Definitely, mabuti during our roll call, walang architect. Meron bang architect? Walang architect. Ayun, para we can be discussing this really, no? Siguro, isang rule natin is we can ask all the time. You can stop me if you want to ask a specific, kasi we have the full day to discuss these topics. So. Tapos, definitely also I'm captivated by copies, by the board member. Yung kanina, good board member. So ngayon, what we will be discussing ngayon are two topics. First topic is the proposed amendment. No? This is not yet promulgated by Congress, and this is not yet in effect. However, we are having this promulgated in Congress to improve the practice of civil engineering. No? We are not changing yung number ng ating law. It's still RA 544. We're just amending portions of RA 544. Not unlike the, walang architect again, no? Not unlike the architects, yung architects, alam niyo ba yung number nila? Ang architects RA 545. Nauna ang CE, sumunod ang RT. No? So, 545 ang architect, 544 yung sa atin. No? Now, they have amended the architectural law. So, we are free to ask from time to time yung ating mga questions if you need clarifications. No? So, basically, the idea of the amendment is to further improve our practice. No? So, if I may begin, by the way, who among here are students? Anong year na? Fourth year? 82,000. So, yun. So ngayon, by this time, ang number ng CE is around 120,000. Yun na yung number natin, no? And the PIC alone has 60,000 active members. So, ngayon, we have 60,000, so half of it are half the civil engineering population are active PIC members. The third reason is there is a need for to address yung issues ng globalization. Just imagine, from the first, di ba, pagka-gising pa lang natin, di ba, pag tumingin ka sa paligid, ano yung makikita mo? Pagka-gising, wala ka, nasa loob ka ng bahay. Pagka-gising, anong pangita natin?
Wall, ceiling.
Di ba, pangita natin, ceiling, di ba? Tapos, pag tumingin tayo, bahay. Sino gumagawa ng bahay? Di ba, mga ceiling, di ba? So, pagka-gising mo, anong gagawin mo? Iinom ka ng kape, di ba? So, pag iinom ng kape, o maliligo ka muna. Pag maliligo ka, saan galing yung tubig? Sino nag-design para build the level of competence of the civil engineers through periodization of specialization? Very important. And then continuing professional development, including research. And then the strengthening of the accredited professional organization for civil engineers. So, ito yung discuss kanina ni Engineer Gana, which I will discuss in the succeeding slides. No? So, these three are very important for which we can practice. So sa akin, of course, sa present day, we are almost relegated to buildings, roads, bridges. Pero if you would notice, marami pa tayong ibang pwedeng gawin. So what are the amended sections? No? We are only amending about 5 sections of the RA 544. First, in section 2, definition of terms, you have many organizations, but all these are appealing societies to PICE. So, umbrella organization ng lahat ng civil engineers would be PICE. No? So dito sa amended RA 544, we are saying na dapat ito nakasulat. So, if this is incorporated in the law, PICE will now be our official APO-CE for CE na APO. However, sa ngayon, we are already practicing that. Okay. The second amendment is the power and duties of the board. So section number 4, yan yung power and duties ng Board of Civil Engineers. So what we are providing for here is the promulgation of the latest